Every single morning, you wake up and where's the first place you go?
The bathroom, right?
Today, we're teaching you how to talk about your bathroom routine in natural American English.
From brushing your teeth to taking a shower, you'll learn every phrase you need. The bathroom is where you spend time every day, morning and night.
So, knowing bathroom vocabulary in English, super useful for daily conversation.
Whether you're talking to a roommate, your family, or just describing your routine, these phrases are essential.
Upbeat, right? Let's walk through a complete bathroom routine, step by step.
Imagine you just woke up. Your alarm went off. What do you do first?
I stumbled to the bathroom. I'm still half asleep.
Stumble. That means you walk unsteadily because you're tired.
I stumbled to the bathroom. Then I turn on the light.
I walk into the bathroom and close the door.
First thing, I need to use the toilet.
Or Americans also say, I need to use the restroom. I need to go to the bathroom. I need to pee. That's very casual with close friends.
Right. Pee is informal. Use the restroom is more polite.
Let's learn the polite ways to talk about this.
Jake lists clearly. Formal/polite. I need to use the restroom. Excuse me, where's the bathroom? May I be excused? At dinner, very polite.
Moria continuing. Casual/informal. I gotta use the bathroom. I'll be right back. Implied meaning. Bathroom break, at work or school.
Jake adds detail. After using the toilet, you flush the toilet, wash your hands.
Always wash your hands. That's basic hygiene.
So, I walk to the sink. I turn on the faucet.
The faucet is the thing you turn to get water. Some people say tap.
I turn on the cold water. I wet my hands. I pump some soap. I scrub my hands for 20 seconds. I rinse them off. I dry my hands with a towel.
Perfect. Now let's talk about washing your face.
I splash cold water on my face. I use face wash. I scrub gently in circular motions. I rinse thoroughly. I pat my face dry with a towel.
Some people say, I wash my face, or I splash some water on my face.
Okay, next, brushing your teeth.
This is crucial. Every morning, every night.
Let me walk you through it. I take out my toothbrush and toothpaste. I squeeze some toothpaste onto the brush. I wet the toothbrush under the faucet. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I brush in circular motions. I make sure to brush the back teeth too. I spit out the toothpaste. I rinse my mouth with water. I rinse my toothbrush. I put everything back.
Some people also use mouthwash. That's the liquid you swish around. Floss their teeth. Clean between the teeth with string. Use an electric toothbrush instead of manual.
Americans say, I brush my teeth. I clean my teeth. I do my dental routine. Now, the main event, the shower.
Some people love their morning shower. It wakes them up.
Me too. I can't start my day without a hot shower.
Curious. What about you, Jake? Are you a morning shower person or night shower person?
Definitely morning. What about you?
I usually shower at night. Helps me relax before bed.
Okay, let's go through the shower routine. 1. I turn on the shower. I adjust the temperature, make it hotter or colder. I wait for the water to warm up. I step into the shower. I close the shower curtain, or I close the shower door. Depends on your shower.
Then I get my hair wet. I pour some shampoo into my hand. I massage the shampoo into my scalp. I work up a lather. That means make it foamy. I rinse out the shampoo.
Then I apply conditioner. I let it sit for a minute. I rinse it out thoroughly. I squeeze some body wash onto a loofah or washcloth. I scrub my body. I rinse off all the soap. I shave if needed.
Some people also say, I wash my body, I soap up, I lather up.
I turn off the water. I wring out my hair, squeeze the water out. I step out of the shower. I grab my towel.
After the shower, drying off.
I dry my body with a towel. I wrap the towel around my waist. Or I wrap my hair in a towel.
Some people say, I towel off, I dry myself off, I pat myself dry.
Then I hang up my wet towel. Or I put it in the laundry.
Pro tip, don't leave wet towels on the floor. They get mildewy.
Yeah, not good.
Okay, hair time.
So I comb or brush my hair.
Comb is using a comb, teeth close together. Brush is using a brush, bristles.
I part my hair on the left, make a line. I style my hair with gel. Or I blow dry my hair. I use a hair dryer. I let it air dry. Dry naturally.
For women or anyone with longer hair, I detangle my hair. I apply leave-in conditioner. I scrunch my curls. I use heat protectant spray. I straighten my hair with a flat iron, or I curl my hair with the curling iron.
For guys, I shave my face. I trim my beard. I use an electric razor, or I use a manual razor and shaving cream.
I apply aftershave. I pluck my eyebrows, tweezing stray hairs. Skincare. This is important.
Maria loves her skincare routine.
Hey, healthy skin is important.
You're right.
Basic skincare routine. I apply toner. I use a serum. I put on moisturizer. I apply eye cream. I use sunscreen. Every day.
My routine is simpler. I splash water on my face. I apply moisturizer. Done.
Men.
After you're clean and groomed, getting dressed.
I go to my bedroom. I pick out clothes for the day. I get dressed. Or I put on my clothes. I change into my outfit.
I put on underwear. I put on my shirt. I put on my pants. I put on socks. I put on shoes.
Or just simply, I get dressed and ready for the day.
Now, let's talk about the night bathroom routine.
It's similar, but in reverse.
I wash my face. I remove my makeup, if you wear it. I brush my teeth. I floss. I use mouthwash.
I change into my pajamas. Or I change into my PJs. I apply night cream. I get ready for bed.
Americans often say, I'm doing my nightly routine. I'm getting ready for bed. I'm winding down, meaning relaxing before sleep.
What learners say versus what Americans say.
I make shower.
I take a shower.
I do my hair washing.
I wash my hair.
I perform teeth brushing.
I brush my teeth.
I use toilet.
I use the restroom. Use simple, natural verbs. Don't overcomplicate.
Bonus bathroom vocabulary. Bathroom items. Mirror. Sink or basin. Faucet or tap. Toilet. Shower or bathtub. Shower curtain. Bath mat. Toilet paper. Hand soap. Towel. Bath towel. Hand towel.
Toiletries, personal care items, toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, soap, deodorant, razor, shaving cream, hairbrush, comb, hair dryer, lotion, moisturizer.
Quick quiz. What's the polite way to say you need the bathroom? A. I want toilet. B. I need to use the restroom. C. Give me bathroom.
Answer B.
What do Americans say? A. I make shower. B. I do shower. C. I take a shower.
Answer C. I take a shower.
After using the toilet, you should A. Leave immediately. B. Flush and wash your hands. C. Just flush.
Answer B. Always wash your hands.
Now you can talk about your entire bathroom routine in natural English.
Comment below. Are you a morning shower person or a night shower person?
Subscribe for more real-life American English.
Next, kitchen routine. Cooking, cleaning, and everything in between.
See you next time.